Hey guys, how's it going? How to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. First of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna do the first way and the safest way, which is going to the settings, then click chat, and then click chat backup, and you're gonna back up the WhatsApp chat, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold, and then remove the app and re-download it again. You're gonna be able to recover the oldest messages from there. All right. The second way, you can just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then type recover WhatsApp chats. Excuse me, WhatsApp chats. Right, and we're gonna type right here. Let's say one more. Right, and we're gonna download this app. Right, deleted messages and backup. Go ahead and open it up. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click recover deleted messages, and they're gonna connect they're gonna connect to the WhatsApp server to your WhatsApp phone number, and then you're gonna be able to hit continue and find the deleted messages. So basically enter your phone number and then go through the steps. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.